Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow forwarding of messages in a Telegram group chat on PC using the web version of the app. If you've been wondering how to change the settings to let members forward messages, photos, or videos from your group, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to *Telegram web. Once the page loads, log into your Telegram account by entering your phone number and following the login process. Once you're logged in, navigate to the group chat, where you want to enable message forwarding. Make sure you're in admin height of the group, because only admins can change these settings. If you're not an admin, you won't be able to make this change. Now, inside the group chat, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. Click on those dots to open a menu. From the drop-down menu, click on Edit. This will take you to the group settings where you can modify various permissions. Next, click on the Group Type option. This section controls the overall privacy and content sharing settings for the group. Once you're in the group type settings, you'll see an option labeled Allow Saving Content. This is the setting that controls whether or not members of the group can forward messages or save media like images and videos. To allow forwarding, simply select the Allow Saving Content option. Once you enable this setting, your group members will be able to forward messages, photos, and videos to other people or groups. And that's it. You've successfully enabled message forwarding in your Telegram group chat on the web version. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tutorials and updates on Telegram and other apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.